Hello, good morning, and warm welcome for everyone today live and you joining on demand as well. My name is Henry from Blueye Robotics, and today in the Blueye webinar, we will talk about underwater inspections, especially regarding infrastructure and water reservoirs. So basically, underwater assets and their inspections with drones. I believe this will be a good webinar for you to watch because I will be sharing some use cases from our local Norwegian municipalities, why they use drones to inspect in an efficient and safe way, and then giving some pointers of how beneficial it is to own a drone compared to relying on external services.